I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering 2 identical paper cups, a 1/5 2m length of string or dental floss, tape, scissors, and a sharp pin. Punch a small centered hole in each cup bottom with the pin. Make the hole just big enough for the string to pass through snugly. Once done, feed the string through both holes so the cups face each other like a listening pair. Make sure the string slides but does not fray. This preserves vibration transfer and improves sound clarity. Now assemble the crucial acoustic link. Tie a secure knot or tape the string end inside each cup so the knot cannot snag the hole. Pull the string taut between cups. Make sure there is no sag because tension transmits vibrations more efficiently. Once tensioned, hold one cup to your ear and have a partner speak into the other, or speak yourself if alone, positioning lips an inch from the rim. Listen for clearer sound. If muffled, adjust knot position and retention the line. Finish by optimizing placement. Move cups farther apart until you hear maximum clarity, then lock tension with a small piece of tape to prevent slipping. If background air leaks reduce volume, seal any rim gaps with tape. This directs sound through the cup body. If you hear nothing, check that holes are not too large and that the string is non-elastic. Cotton or dental floss works best. Remember, the cups act as diaphragms and the taut string as a bridge for vibrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.